Hi kids. You don't know me, but I'm the one who made the low. Oh, yeah. And I have to warn you about something. This week you are going to receive a mail bomb. In a few minutes. The mail will explode. And all the doors and windows of your school will close automatically. You and your classmates will be trapped in the school. Forever. But there is a way to escape. You will also receive the code to deactivate the bomb. The code, however, will be encrypted, and you will have to decipher it. You must hurry and do it before the mail explodes. Be careful. There are 4 important rules. If you don't follow them, you will lose the challenge automatically. So don't forget them, and be always prepared. 1. Before the challenge starts, you have to sit alone with your headphones. This is a challenge only for you. 2. You can't look around or try to copy to your classmates. It is not a team challenge. Do not try to cheat. 3. You need your headphones, your iPad, a pencil, and your SGH adventure book. 4. You can't make questions or ask for help to your teacher. You have to do this by your own. If you manage to overcome the challenge, you will earn your first achievement badge and some experience points. But only those with the soul of an SGH will be able to guess the code. Are you one of them? Be ready and good luck.